In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple way to make your text follow a circle in Affinity, perfect for logos, badges, and creative designs. To get started, I'll select any document. The first thing I want to do is make sure snapping is turned on by clicking this snapping icon. Next, inside the vector environment, ensure that Vector View is enabled. Now choose the Shapes tool and select the Ellipse tool. I'll position the cursor at the center of the screen. You'll notice it snaps perfectly, guided by the horizontal and vertical guides. While holding down Command plus Shift or Control plus Shift on Windows, drag to draw a perfect circle. With the circle selected, I'll grab the Artistic Text tool. Let me zoom in a bit. Now we can place the text either inside or outside the circle. For this example, we'll wrap it around the outside at the top. Click right here on the edge of the circle, and once you see the text cursor appear, go ahead and start typing your text. If you look closely, you'll notice a green handle and a red handle. These represent the start and end points of the text path. I'll click on the end point and drag it over to the right center of the circle. Then do the same for the start point. Now select all of the text. Go to Align and set it to center. Next, choose your preferred font. I'll use something like Babus Neue for this example. I'll also increase the font size to a level that looks good. If you want to adjust the position of the text along the circle, go up to the baseline setting and tweak the values to your liking. Personally, I prefer to leave it right about here. You can also adjust the spacing between the letters by selecting all the text. Then, while holding the Option or Alt key, use the left or right arrow keys to increase or decrease the letter spacing. Next, select the Move tool. If you want to resize both the text and the circle together, grab this outer handle, then click and drag to adjust it to whatever size you prefer. Next, we're going to create a line of text that wraps around the bottom of the design. Grab the Circle tool again, and just like before, snap your cursor to the center of the page. Click and drag, while holding Control plus Shift to draw a perfect circle from the center outward, and match it to the size and position of the first circle. Grab the Artistic Text tool again, and this time I'm going to click on the inside of the path, not the outside like we did earlier. Go ahead and type your text, select all of it. Choose your font, and increase the font size to what works for your design. Once that's done, I'll drag the start point to the left and the end point to the right. Finally, select all the text again and center align it. Now I'm going to hold the Alt or Option key and press the right arrow to add some spacing to the text. And that's it. The easiest way to wrap your text around a circle. See you in the next one.